In this video, I will show you how to make these animations in Capcut. So without wasting any time, let's get into today's video. And I will also show you how you can remove green screen from background. Moving to the first animation, which is dotted line animation. First, drag the text to the timeline. Set its length as you need. Now select the text section and type the minus symbol a few times. Once you do this, now you can adjust its size as you want. So I will adjust it as I need. To add animation, simply select the animation tab and select this animation. As you applied it, you can increase its duration here. Now click on the video to return to the basic section again. Here you can change text color, and if you scroll down, you can also add glow to make it more engaging. And you can adjust it as you want. In this way, you can make any kind of dotted line animation. It was just a simple dotted line animation, but you can make it more advanced. Moving on to the second project, that is removing of green screen. First, I will import the green screen. As I imported it, I will adjust its size. I am adjusting it as I need. Now set it on the timeline. To remove green screen, simply click on the cutout option and enable chroma key and pick the green color. Select the green color and drag this line to full. As you do this, you will notice that the green screen from background is removed. And in this way, you can remove any video green screen. Now, moving to the last part of today's video, that is floating effect. I have imported all the materials and I will drag them one by one on timeline and adjust their size according to the background. As you do this, now set their positions. Once you set its positions, select all the PNGs and create a compound clip. Now go to animations and select the slide up animation. Also increase its duration a little. Replay the clip and it will be animated. It's time to add effect. To add effect, click on the effects, go to nightclub, and choose the rebound swing. You can adjust its size and speed in the sidebar. Once you do this, the floating effect will be applied in the clip. This was it in today's video. If you enjoyed watching the video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can stay tuned for the next update. See you in the next video.